Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight we're going to be doing an unboxing from the Diamond Art Club. This is a painting that I have been holding on to for a little bit. As I said before in the unboxing of the White Tiger, I have been ill and it sounds like my voice is going out. Keep my fingers crossed. I only have three more sleeps, guys, and we will be heading to Mexico in the heat. Woohoo! So anyway, this is a beautiful painting, and again, as I said, comes from the Diamond Art Club. Now, just in case you're new to diamond painting and or the Diamond Art Club, one thing you're going to notice on the back of all Diamond Art Club paintings will be the 9 steps of diamond painting here, and then on the bottom of the box you're going to find some really helpful tips as you're working on your project. Now this painting is Catching Dreams, and this is a gorgeous painting from Chuck Penson. So let's open this box up and take a look at what this canvas looks like. So I hope you're all having a beautiful day today. It is cold here in Winnipeg. Well, I guess it's not as bad as it was. It was minus 27 at one point. Now we're at minus 16. But as I said, I am heading down south, and the weather down there is plus 28. So I can't wait. Just one more day of work, and that is it. All right. So again, if you're new to diamond painting and or Diamond Art Club, you should always have 3 items in this box. One will be your canvas, your toolkit, and your drills. But Diamond Art Club always includes 1 extra item. So let's open up this box and take a look at what we have. So here are the drills, the canvas, and the toolkit. Now, what Diamond Art Club provides that's a little bit extra and most stores don't have, and that is this sticker. And the nice thing about the sticker is it will have the thumbnail picture of your project, and then on this side it has your schematics. So it's really helpful, especially if you keep a journal to keep track of all your projects, and also if you use storage container systems or Ziploc bags, you can cut the schematics up and put those on the storage container systems or your Ziploc bags. Some people will just keep this intact, and then they'll just have it beside them to reference as they're working on their project. So it's a really nice item that the Diamond Art Club provides in their kits. Now, one thing about Diamond Art Club is they have 2 different types of toolkits. They have a toolkit for round drills, and then they have a toolkit for square drills. The difference is the square drill toolkit will have a pair of heavy-duty tweezers. Round toolkits do not. So basically, I'm not going to open this up. Basically, what you're going to receive is a single placer pen with a comfort grip. You're going to get a multi-placer, 2 heart-shaped waxes, a handful of Ziploc bags, a clear tray with a spout. So that is your toolkit. Now we're going to put these off to the side. We're going to open this up and try to open this up. Oh wow, this wasn't even, okay. It wasn't even tightly on there. Interesting. All right, another thing that you're going to receive if you're new to Diamond Art Club is this 3-panel pamphlet, which will have a thank you letter from the founder and owner, Angie. It'll also have, again, the 9 steps to diamond painting, and it'll also provide you a 10% off coupon for your next purchase. Now, how many times you can use that code, I don't know. Anyway, I was just thinking that, how many times can you use that code? Anyway, Diamond Art Club's canvases are very, very unique. Now, I've said this many, many times. It's very soft and velvety to the touch from the back. It's very pliable. It's poured glue method. And if you're anything like me and you want to see this canvas like a few minutes ago, you can pull this the opposite direction and the canvas will straighten out. You do not want to do that though with a double-sided adhesive. The reason for that is you can cause severe damage to double-sided adhesive if you attempt to roll it backwards. But with poured glue, you are safe to go doing that. So what I do is I'll just take this out and bring up a little bit here, and I'm just going to roll it the opposite direction. Now, excuse me, this painting is a 28 by 22 inches or 71 by 56 centimeters. This is a full round drill with AB accents, and by the looks of the schematics, it looks like it has 2 ABs. So let's take a look at this canvas. I think it's going to go this way. There it is. This is going to be a beautiful, beautiful painting. I love the warm colors in this painting, and I really do apologize for the glare. So you've got a sailboat here, and I'm just going to reference off of this. It looks like there's a house here, and then there's a pathway right in here. Now, the thing about this painting is it's going to have some birds around in this general area, and then back through here there's some houses as well. There's a boat. Now there's a few of them. There's one here, I can see the mast, but the other ones, now there's a boat here, and it looks like there's a boat, let's see, there's this one. So there's a boat somewhere right in this general area. Okay, now I'm looking at this upside down, so it's really hard for me to see all of this the way it's sitting, but I am so looking forward to doing this painting. This painting, like a lot of the Chuck Penson paintings, has a lot of meaning to me. This is something that I would honestly say would be literally my dream village. I would love to live in a place like this. But my father has always been big on boats. My father used to paint boats, and he used to paint cars. So when I see these paintings coming out from the Diamond Art Club, they just hold a lot of meaning to me. So let's go ahead and look at the clarity of the drill field and the clarity of the schematic, and we will be right back. Okay, so we are back, and now that I'm looking at this painting the right way, I can definitely see a lot of the detail now. So I'm just going to point out a few things. Like I said, there's this big boat here, and you can definitely tell by the mask here. And then there's this boat here, and there's going to be a village right through here. And then I'm just moving this over here, so hopefully you guys can see that. There is a pathway through here There's a nice home here with some lights, and just all around this is going to be a really gorgeous painting. But let's go ahead and take a look at the clarity of the schematic and the clarity of this drill field. So there, just kind of the viewfinder. So we're just going to pull this back just a little bit, and let's take a look. So you can see that drill field is very, very clear, and then the schematic is also very clear. Now there's 47 colors in this painting. Wow. Ooh, that's going to be a lot of color. But then again, Chuck Penson's paintings are known to be very confetti heavy. So if you are not into confetti heavy paintings, this is definitely not the painting for you. But if you don't mind the confetti and you love his artwork, definitely something to look into. Before we do anything else, let's just check and see how tacky this painting is. And as you can see, it's very tacky. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this canvas, we're going to flip it upside down. And now we're going to take a look at the drills. I just have to go get them. Excuse me. Oops, and I just kicked the stand. So here are all of the drills for this painting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up quickly. If you're sensitive to the sound of the bag opening, please go ahead and mute your devices until you see me stop struggling with the bag, and you'll know it's safe to come back on. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and go through this small strand of color. So the first one we're going to show you is 796, beautiful blue. Then there's 775, 738, 321, 3350, 155, beautiful lavender, 648, 498, 333, another beautiful purple, 823, 841, 907, 3841. Here's our first AB, or Aurora Borealis. Now these are special drills that have a special iridescent coating on them to make those drills extra sparkly. Beautiful color. 436. Oh, here's the next AB, which is 134. Again, has that beautiful iridescent coating on them. 317. 3770, 509, or excuse me, 905, yes. No, I'm not dyslexic. 414. There's our first strand. So let's look at this one. So now we have 3776, 754, 3864, 699, 3830, 904, $8.90, $7.43, $4.13, $37.99. Ooh, my favorite, $5.50, $3.55, $3.27, $38.54, $7.27, $38.61, $3.10, $37.71, $37.78, and there's the second bag. Excuse me. All right, and then here's our last strand. There's 38.55, 38.60. Two bags for those. $7.79, $9.38, $3.56, $37.72, $4.02, and $33.71. All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and show you this canvas again. And isn't it gorgeous? This is just beautiful. So I'm looking forward to doing this painting. And again, this is called Catching Dreams. This is a 71 by 56 centimeter full round drill with 2 AB accents. Again, the artist is Chuck Penson. Has 47 colors. So everyone, I'm going to go ahead and close the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name is Jene, and thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.